In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn on Whop. So you can easily earn money and make money on Whop by different methods. So if you are looking to make money online with zero experience, then let me introduce you to Whop. This is the new platform where creators, hustlers, and entrepreneurs are cashing in by selling digital products. You can create a something valuable. It could be a guide, a tool, or a service. Don't overthink it. People are making money from simple PDF bundles and AI tools. These are the apps you can make money from, and you can list your offer on Whop. Their dashboard is beginner friendly. It only takes a few minutes to get your product live. Step 3, you can start promoting using TikTok, Instagram, or even Reddit. Or you can join Whop's affiliate program and earn by promoting other people's products. The best part is you don't need to be a tech genius, you just need the right product and consistency. So if you are ready to start earning online in 2025, Whop might be your best move. So your digital hustle starts now. As always, thank you for watching.